Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate BuzzStream for outreach workflows and tracking. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate BuzzStream for outreach workflows and tracking, first, sign in to your BuzzStream account. If you don't have an account, go to the BuzzStream website and click on the sign up option to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the settings icon located in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the integrations tab and select. Once in the integrations section, locate the outreach tools you want to connect with, such as email services or CRM systems. Click on the relevant integration option to start the setup process. Follow the prompts to authenticate and link your email account with BuzzStream. Make sure to grant any necessary permissions for optimal functionality. Next, return to the main dashboard and select the Projects tab. Here, create a new project by clicking on the New Project button. Enter a name for your project and any relevant details that will help you organize your outreach efforts. Once your project is created, go to the People tab within your project. To add contacts, click on the Add People button. You can import contacts by uploading a CSV file or adding them manually. For outreach tracking, enable the tracking feature in your project settings. Navigate to the tracking section and toggle on the tracking options available. You can set up specific tags for better categorization of your outreach efforts. Now, move to the Outreach tab within your project. Choose a template for your outreach emails or create a custom one that fits your needs. Fill in the necessary fields, such as recipient's name and personalized message. Before sending, review your email for any errors or personalization opportunities. When ready, hit the Send button to launch your outreach campaign. After sending your emails, return to the tracking section to monitor open rates and responses. Adjust your outreach strategy based on the data you collect from your tracking efforts. Finally, regularly check back in your project to update contacts and manage ongoing communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.